It started with a vision. I envision Sabella to be a village where people can be fully engaged. We want to bring harmony and balance into the business of daily lives. We want to provide carefully designed facilities in a sustainable environment where people can recreate and families can engage in physically and socially invigorating activities, all within the same village. The most important thing of all, it will be at an affordable price.
For 35 years, My City Homes remains consistent in building and developing homes from the heart. We are very lucky to be invited by none other than the President and CEO, Ms. Rosie Chai, to tell us more about their newest and most exciting project, Sabella. Hello there, Rosie. Thank you for having us.
Tessa. Thank you. Thank you for giving us this opportunity to speak more about our upcoming, very exciting project, Sabella.
Rosie, how did you come up with Sabella, the name for the village?
Sabella is actually a Hebrew word, and it literally translates to pledge to God. Sabella is basically our pledge to God that we will continue fulfilling our mission and the purpose God has for the company.
So this master plan by your architect, so it's June Palafox.
There will be a main gate entering the project. There will be two phases for the single attached home and for the townhomes. Each phase will have its own individual gate.
The property itself is how many hectares?
It's 47 hectares. We'll be devoting around less than 15 hectares to residential. Another 15 hectares will be for commercial establishment.
What are the options for the sizes? How many square meters?
We only have two models, actually. It's a townhome, 50 square meter floor area on a 72 square meter lot, and a single detached home. It's 80 square meters on a 100 square meter lot.
And they have options for carport as well?
Yes, the townhomes come with one carport in front of the house, and the single attached home will have two carports. Sabella will have the usual clubhouse, swimming pool, a covered basketball court, an open court,
and a chapel as well. I'm so excited to talk about what makes Sabella really different from all the other villages.
Yeah, we're excited too, to be honest about it. We'll be developing an eco park. It's 3 hectares. We will retain as much of the lush green environs, and part of the development will be a linear park. Architect June Palafox designed it in a way that from tip to tip, homeowners can walk, they can stroll within the subdivision streets. And one of the main features of the eco park will be the community garden. That's where seniors will be more active.
And you know they can actually rent plots of land wherein they can do their own farming, and then you'll have a weekend market wherein they can sell their produce as well. And from the master plan, I see that there is sort of a fishing area.
The boating and fishing pond will be for the dads will be willing to go into the water. Whatever the catch of the day, they can have it cooked, and they can enjoy it, in either in the picnic area or the alfresco dining area, which will be in a greenhouse setting.
And I know that there also is a zip line.
For the more energetic members of the family, for kids and teenagers, or even for the older folks, they can really get a lot of enjoyment from areas like our trampolines, rock climbing, and for the adrenaline rush, they can zip across the eco park on the mini zip line.
What about the moms' activities?
The moms were once so that they could have some time for themselves, away from the kids. They can have rejuvenating spa sessions in the health and wellness areas.
You also have provided a transfer hub for them.
Yes, just beside the gate. We will provide the jeepneys or the public transportation with a hub. It's like a terminal.
This is really so exciting. When can prospective homeowner be ready to move in?
We're going to start selling this year. And for the affordable market, they usually take time to do their payments.
And then you're also going to have payment schemes as well, and then they can get with pag-ibig.
Pag-ibig.
You know how Filipinos are. We are
close-knit.
The close-knit, from the grandmother to the grandparents to the children, wherein the parents work and they leave the kids. It's really nice. You have given them an opportunity to have this development. It all comes into full circle, wherein your purpose has again, to help them build, and like they said, it's closer to God,
achieving a more meaningful life.
That's wonderful.
We're excited about it, and we can't wait for the project to be launched.
Congratulations in advance. Thank you so much, Rosie.
Thank you.
Thank you.